In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment information on PayPal. Changing your payment information is a straightforward process, and I will guide you step by step. This ensures your account remains up to date and secure, which is crucial for your online transactions. Let's get started. First, open a browser of your choice and search for PayPal. You can use any search engine like Google or Bing. Just type PayPal into the search bar and hit enter. As you do this, you will see various search results appear on your screen. Look for the official PayPal link, which usually has the URL starting with www.paypal.com. It is important to click the correct link to avoid any phishing sites. This first step sets the foundation for accessing your account safely. Next up, click the correct link to access the PayPal homepage. If prompted, log in with your account credentials. Enter your email address and password in the designated fields. Make sure your password is entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you log in successfully, you will be directed to your account dashboard. This is where all your payment information resides. Logging in is essential because it verifies your identity and ensures you have access to your personal account. After logging in, navigate to your wallet. You can find this option in the top menu bar of the PayPal homepage. Clicking on Wallet takes you to a page that shows all your linked bank accounts and cards. This is the area where you will manage your payment information. Understanding where to find your wallet is crucial because it is the hub for all financial transactions related to your PayPal account. Now, select the specific debit or credit card you wish to update. On the wallet page, you will see a list of your cards. Click on the one that you want to change. This will bring up more details about that card. Knowing which card to select is important because you want to make changes to the right account. This helps prevent any payment disruptions in the future. From there, click or tap Update Card or Edit. This action will allow you to make the necessary changes to your card information. You will be taken to a new screen where you can edit the details. This step is vital because it opens up the options to modify your account, ensuring your payment method remains valid and up to date. Next, type in the new expiration date, security code, or select a new billing address from your profile. Carefully enter the new expiration date and security code found on your card. If the address has changed, select the updated billing address from the list provided. This is important because having the correct information prevents errors during transactions and ensures your payments go through smoothly. Finally, click Save or Update Card to commit the changes. This action finalizes your updates. After clicking this, you should see a confirmation message indicating your changes have been saved. This step is reassuring because it confirms that your updated information is now secure and active within your PayPal account. With that done, you have successfully changed your payment information on PayPal. Regularly updating your payment details is essential to maintaining a secure and efficient account. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.